Just update from the northern Finland where I am. Little bit wind now, but it's been so wonderful today. I'm in the place where I can pick bilberries or blueberries. Today I'm mainly just enjoying myself, enjoying this peaceful nature. Weather hasn't been that good all the time. When I came here, we had a few lovely days, but then came the clouds and rain, so it's been quite wet. But today is really nice and I'm really enjoying it. I like stones. I found these stones and I put it here. It's so shiny. My fingers are like this because I'm picking blueberries. Not sure what stones these are, but I just did like them. Nice. Just out of interest, the berries which are picked under the trees, but they're a bit bigger. Are they better? Do they have less or more vitamins or vitamin C or whatever than these ones, which are maybe a bit smaller, but they definitely have got more sun? So which bilberries are actually in the nutritions or vitamins value better? Just wondering. Out of curiosity, really. I'm here picking these blueberries just by hand for Mum and Dad. These are quite small, but they're just so lovely looking things, and there's been plenty of sun here, so I just take a few of these, the biggest ones, try.